welcome back to another video, guys. For those of you new, I'm Brittney and I make fashion like content, but more importantly, welcome to my channel. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say, y'all, we are literally almost at 200 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but it is a big step in the right direction for me. I cannot wait to grow with you guys, and I feel like just reaching 200 just shows me how hard I've been working, and it's kind of starting to pay off. And y'all showing me the love, I just feel like I need to return that. So once we hit 200 subscribers, for those that don't know, I am doing a little giveaway. Of course, the key word is little, but I just always wanted to do giveaways when I first started out YouTube, and I'm just so excited that I finally get to do them because I know how it makes people feel, and I've seen how it makes the person giving away feel. So I'm just super excited and I cannot wait, but we are literally like almost there. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and also like and turn on that post notification bell so you guys are always reminded when I post a new video. But anyways, for today's video, I am gonna be decluttering my closet. I've decided I'm gonna do this twice a year, once around my birthday, which is in August, and every December I'll be going through my clothes, just because I feel like I always have so much clothes and I don't wear half of this stuff anymore. Either it's out of style or I've just grown out of the clothing. So that is what this video is gonna be about. So the only thing is, I'm not gonna go and give it to like a Value Village or Players Closet, which is stores. I'm just gonna be going ahead and giving it to a family that might need it, and then they can decide what they want to keep and what they don't and how they want to get rid of it. It's all up to them. But I just like it better that way because it's more in person. I know I'm helping someone out and it just makes everyone feel good. So I need to get to work and start going through each drawer because I have so much stuff and it's gotten out of hand. Ever since I've gotten these drawers, I don't really fold my clothes anymore. So are y'all ready to come along this journey? I have my handy dandy garbage bag that I'll be putting all these clothes into, so this should be fun. Anyways, this is gonna take a while, so we might as well just get started now. Okay, so I figured I start with the bottom drawer just because I feel like this drawer I don't really go to or go in anymore, which is kind of sad, but I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of pieces or items out of this one, and this is where I just keep all of my just like casual tees and dresses, or yeah, more like dress like things. So I'm just gonna start going ahead and going through this drawer and see what I want to keep, and just maybe a maybe pile because I kind of have a new video idea in my head as I was looking at some of the things, but I guess we'll see what happens. This is just a normal black top. Yeah, no, I don't wear this at all anymore. It's sad, but it's okay because it's going somewhere else. This was actually my mom's, and it's just a nice, cute, white, almost like V-neck tank top. I'm definitely keeping that. I have like a lot of my mom's clothing in here that I haven't really worn yet, but I'm trying to like figure out how to wear. Obviously, most of these things are like summer clothing, like this one. I found that it's a skirt, and I feel like paired with like the right things, this could be a really cute outfit. So I'm definitely hanging on to those, and I just find it cute because it's like it's passed down from generation to generation. So super cute. I find this top so cute. It's just the only problem about it is the hood. Like, it's a Canada tank top, which I find so cute just by itself, but then with the hood it kind of like makes it hard to wear just because you never know where to put the hood. So this is gonna be a maybe for me because I feel like I might be able to do something with this in the future, but I haven't decided just as yet. So this is a maybe. No, this one. It's Empire. Todd, can you play that again? Okay, so this drawer is my comfy casuals, basically. So starting over here is just basically my casual t-shirts, and then behind it there is like basically my like vacation set little pieces. Over here is my tank tops and my tube tops, and these are just other just normal t-shirts, just more colorful. And at the back there is all of my mom's vintage stuff that she's given me. And then on this side is all of my dresses that I have. I have a little section in here because I do have some more dresses up there that I think I kind of want to put away, but I just don't know how much room I have so far. So okay, so now that I'm finished that, I'm on to the next one. I'm gonna go up here. This is gonna be the messiest one and it probably has the most clothes in it. This is more tops, but it's more like my daily wear, my fancier going out, you know, it's all just jumbled up, smaller tops and all that stuff. So this is more my go-to drawer for when I want to find a top, and it's a complete mess right now. So definitely need to go through these because I feel like there's some things that still have a tag on them that I have never worn before, and it's been here for quite a while, but yeah, I think it's time to tackle this monster. It's gonna take a while though. Okay. It's Empire. Todd, can you play that again? Okay, so I finally organized everything and I put it back into place. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of blacks, and then the middle section is my coloreds, and then this side. So over here is, at the beginning, is my black tank tops, and then in the middle is more like the t-shirt, crops, all that fun stuff. And then at the back is a long sleeve blacks, of course. And then the middle, again at the front, is colored tank tops, middle crop t-shirts, and at the back long sleeve. And then over here is all of my bodysuits. Hello, you want to come in? Come in. Come in. Come in. Alrighty, so my camera battery literally just died and I have to use my phone now. So if the quality is different, I apologize, but I'm just gonna have to make do. So the next drawer I'm getting ready to do, I'm not really sure yet. I have this one down here, but it has literally all of my soccer stuff, and I'm not really sure I'm ready to go through all of that. I mean, it's super organized right now just because I haven't been in this drawer for a long time now, so I think I'm just gonna leave it for now and do that another time. But again, for these ones, this is more my streetwear pants. So my more baggier pants definitely need to go through these. I don't know how much I'm gonna get rid of my pants already, just because I already wear majority of them anyways, but I definitely need to organize them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that now, I guess. But I want to show you guys how it looks before I organize it. Everything is literally just in there all bunched up and all that stuff. So I guess I'll show you guys my final product. Just because I don't have a stand for my phone to be posted up so that you guys can see everything. So I'll just show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is it all organized now. I have my jeans on this side. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I have a lot of laundry to do. That's why this drawer is kind of missing a few things that you guys probably have seen in the past. But this is my jeans side, and then this is kind of like my cargo pants. And then on this side is all going to be my army stuff. So that is what I have right now. I'm glad I have a little bit of room just in case, you know, I do decide to buy more stuff in the future. I know I have room for things, but yeah. So now on to the next drawer, which is this one. This one is really messy. I have basically all of my girlier things up in this one, so I'm gonna have to really organize this. I have a lot of leggings and jeans and just dress pants, so I might have to start hanging stuff up in my closet. I'm not sure though. But yeah, this is the beginning, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on it, and then I'll show you guys what I decide to do. Okay, so this is how it turned out. So obviously my blacks are all at the front, as you guys can see. Have my skinny jeans on this side, my athletic wear on this side, and my girly stuff on this side. And I'm super happy with how everything turned out. Basically can't go and purchase any more of these items just because it's super full, but that's okay because I don't plan on shopping anytime soon right now anyways. So alrighty, so I'm back on my camera now. Hopefully it doesn't die on me again, but I still have all of this to do. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get rid of most of it because I mean I do honestly wear a majority of this stuff anyways, so it's probably going to be staying the same. I do have a couple of drawers on this side of my bed with graphic tees and athletic jogger pants, so I need to go through those real quick, and then I am basically done. So I feel like I'm kind of stressing out just because this video has to go up today and I still need to edit it, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna go play some YouTube and just like crank it out. So yeah.
It's Empire. Todd, can you play that again?
Okay, so I'm all finished now. On this side I have all my blacks and the long sleeves at the back. And then this is kind of like my more neutral, the middle section, like my whites, my grays, my beiges, and then obviously my long sleeves at the back. And then this last section is just basically all my colors. So my baby blues, reds, dark greens, all that fun stuff, and then my tie-dye at the back there. So this is finally done. So for this stuff is literally all black. But I have my shorts, some biker shorts here, but this is basically more my athletic stuff. So if I go to train or just want to like look more athletic, this is my go-to drawer. And basically with these two drawers, I got rid of nothing, so that's great. But yeah, at least I organized it. So I'm pretty much done with this video. I know it wasn't much, but if you like the organization and all that stuff, then I feel like this is a really good video just because I love the way that everything looked so neat at the end, which is probably about to go get messed up here in the next week, and then I have to do it all over again. But yeah, that's basically it for my video. I still need to do stuff, go through certain things and all that fun stuff, but so far this is the bag. I feel like it's a good chunk of clothes. I definitely put all of my hangers that I just don't use anymore, so all my plastic ones, because you never know, maybe someone needs more hangers. So that would be for them to decide. But yeah, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys are still watching and you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!